Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing breakdown. Today we'll be breaking down Forever by GG. So without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. For this track, the tempo has been set to 89.5 BPM. And beginning with the rhythm section, we've used a kick, a clap, a snare, a hi-hat, another hi-hat. And all of these go like this together. Next, for the bass section, an 808 has been used. And this 808 goes like... Let's hear it with the drums, too. In the intro, a bass guitar has been used. And also some perks there. Now let's jump right to the melody section. The melody section has a guitar. Some vocal chops. A beautiful violin riff. And some textures to fill the ambiance. Now let's hear all the melodies together. A crash has been used before the verse. So this was it. And if you like our work, then keep sharing your love. If you want to purchase any of our FLPs, the purchase links are provided in the description. Now let's hear everything all together along with the vocals.
सोने अग दे सिधी बोटी बबरा च उड़ जा अड के कारा कोई होया मन्ने ओ जट्टा हाथ हुण बैर ले लगे